Crikey, mates. G'day. Oh, look what I found. I discovered this. It's the wonderful little Zechuan waterproof electric bug zapper for outdoor or indoors, for the patio, backyard, campsite, home or travelling. Let's give him a little tickle. Let him know we're his friend. There we are. We got him out of his shell. This little fella is a handy little companion for keeping those nasty little annoyers that annoy away from annoying you. Thanks, Zechuan, for sending it to us to compare and share. And the first thing you notice after its stylish looks is the extra long 6-foot power cord. Now that's longer than some other bug zappers out there, which means there's no need for extension cords a lot of the time. And this courageous zapper delivers 4,000 voltage in its electric grid that kills those nasty mosquitoes as soon as they touch it. And it has great range with 1,100 square feet coverage. Plus, the small 0.27 inch gap of the protective plastic case makes it safe for kids and pets. And not to forget, it's very easy to clean with the removable tray with a simple twist, and you tip them out, and there's a bonus brush to assist on sweeping away any little extras. Have a wonderful time of the year in the outdoors. Get out there before winter comes a knocking. Hey!